Mitochondria are very important for the health of all of our cells, our neurons, our muscle, because they produce energy. But mitochondria also accumulate a lot of damage quite easily because they produce energy and they use oxygen to do that. They make a lot of what's called reactive oxygen species. So these are things that can really react with our DNA, with proteins inside of our cells, with lipids, so the cell membranes. So your mitochondria don't really have a repair system like our DNA does. They have another repair system, and one of it is what's called mitophagy, which is kind of a subpart of autophagy. And it's where the mitochondria, they accumulate damage. You can essentially take that mitochondria and get rid of it, right? Or a piece of that mitochondria that damaged and get rid of it through this sort of autophagy type of thing, but it's called mitophagy. And that happens with other types of what are called organelles within our cells. So this autophagy process, this autophagy is sort of a general term, but it's essentially the cleaning out of damage. It's the repair process for damage. And it's something that happens most of the time when we're in a fasted state, which typically happens when we're sleeping.
How long do I have to be in a fasted state for?
I mean, it depends. I would say that we haven't really worked that out great in humans because people aren't measuring biomarkers of autophagy in humans. There have been some studies that have looked at being in a fasted state for like 16 hours